Thrut Halal, chapter of the night. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, by the night when it veils, by the day when it shines out in splendor, by what created the male and the female, verily your course is diverse. So as for him who gives and shows piety and counts true the best reward, we shall assist him to ease. But as for him who is niggardly and prides himself in wealth and counts false the best reward, we shall assist him to difficulty, nor will his wealth profit him when he perishes. Upon us it rests to give guidance, and to us belongs the last and the first. So I warn you of a fire that blazes, in which shall roast only the most miserable, who is counted false and turned away. Avoid it shall the most pious, who gives of his wealth to purify himself, though to no one does he rest under a favor, needing to be recompensed, but only out of desire of the countenance of his Lord, the Most High, and assuredly he shall be satisfied. Well, that Most High was the focus as in terms of the name of God in a previous chapter, so we can relate it to that way. And you can focus on the light, you can focus on the darkness. Either way, there's a path towards good and truth.